Well, hi there, and welcome to another edition of The Teaching Lady. Today, we're going to talk about screwdrivers. I'm reminded when I was a kid, my dad used to tell me, go get the Phillips out of the toolbox. And I'd be like, a Phillips? I don't know what that is. He's like, hurry up, get it. And I'm like, I don't know what a Phillips is. I don't even know Phillip. Why would they call it a Phillip? It's a screwdriver. I'm like, but I don't know what a Phillips screwdriver looks like. I mean, I'm just a kid. And then sometimes he'd say, go get the straight, the flathead. And I'm like, I don't know what that is. A flathead? What's a flathead? Well, I think a lot of us might struggle with what a flathead screwdriver looks like and what a Phillips head screwdriver looks like. So today I thought I would put that curiosity to rest so that someday in the future when you're asked to retrieve a flathead or a Phillips head, you'll know what that person is talking about. So let's just go ahead and get to the basics. I'm going to show you two screws. These should look very familiar to you if you remember math from school. All right, we have the plus sign and we have the minus sign. See that? Or minus, look like that. Or you can even do divide. All right, so this is a Phillips head screw. This is a flathead screw. That's what I call them. Some people would call this a straight slotted. Some people call this a plus sign, but this is a Phillips head, and that is a flathead. Okay, see the difference? All right, now what screwdrivers go in these? Here is a Phillips head screwdriver. As you can see, the point. Woo, there you go. And it fits in this screw. There you go. All right, so that's your Phillips head screwdriver. Now these come in all various lengths and sizes depending on the job you need to do. Now, flathead screwdriver, big difference, right? It's flat. Maybe that's why they call it a flathead. I don't know. But it fits inside this screw right here. Okay, not much holding that on. You won't find these very often. I think where I see these the most is if you look at your outlets that you plug into, there's little flathead screws that are in those outlets. So now you know what a Phillips head screwdriver looks like and what a flathead screwdriver looks like. So next time somebody says, go give me a Phillips, this is what they're talking about. Give me a flat, this is what they're talking about. Give me a C, give me okay, I'm not going to go into all that. But anyway, thought that would be helpful for you today. You take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.